Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and we can see it at the device list right here, this information that there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and it also means that your earbuds are disconnected. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and we have this information. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices from Save Devices. And with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.